Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Kadei ka kamram jong ka Liang Pyrshah ban wohdong ne wohdong ya ka sorkar ha ka jingtreikam jong ka ongwe MLA ka NCP u Saleng Sangma haba panchai halor ki babun ki jingkno bamsam bakno da ka All India Trinamool Congress u Saleng u laong bakim so plasho namar kadei ka kam jong ki ban kan thought.
It's a nature of any oppositions to be aggressive, and then moreover right now TMC they're aggressively campaigning all over the Meghalaya, not only in Garo Hills, even in some part of the Khasils they started. Yesterday itself I have seen that they're campaigning in Sela Bolaganj and then some part in the West Khasils also. So that way they are trying to create the platform for anybody who will be standing from their party. I think so. Maybe it's an it's a nature of any opposition party to criticize the government in any occasions or in any meeting or any party. No, you cannot say every opposition ruling they used to have this kind of aggressive movement every now and then, but some of them they come up with a nice result, some of them they don't. So you just cannot predict, especially it depends on how and what people will choose, because everything depends on people only. Corruption is everywhere. Now we have to look at which are the area where the corruption is more. Maybe we cannot fully control the corruption, but at least we can reduce the corruption by attending to those areas where the corruption is more rampant, you can say. Everywhere the corruption is everywhere. So that way I think we have to check so we can balance the corruption also. I think reduce the corruption. We cannot finish the corruption, I think so. So they just cannot say that, they just cannot pinpoint that MD government is the only one who is corrupted. They have to look back what they have done before also. So that way I think you just cannot pinpoint at everybody or only with the MD government.